Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. For this one I am using the December Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper, and I will begin here choosing the pocket cards that I want to include. And then once I have those in place, I will start adding in the papers. I love that floral pattern, but I have a lot of photos on these pages, so I think I'm going to try to rein it in a little, use some more basic papers. We'll see if that carries on. Because there was too much gingham, so I decided to delete all the gingham. And go with a plaid and a wood grain, it looks like. I think that is the final selection. Now we've moved on to adding in some elements. I think coming up here I am going to type on a path inside of that banner on the deer card, and it's a bit of a miracle that I managed to do it without having to Google something, because it is not something I do very often. I don't even know if I've ever used the pen tool in Photoshop in my life before, but I just thought I would give it a try here, and it turns out quite nice. Just so, but I was pleased when I did it that I managed to do all the steps without having to stop and find something. So I'm going to use the pen tool and just kind of trace along that banner in there, and then you can use the type tool to type on that path so that my text will look like it came in there. So you can say with the pen tool, you just kind of tap along make your path, and then you have to get that arrow tool. I don't know what that arrow tool is called. And you can adjust your text so it fits in there correctly. But that was some more advanced steps that I usually do. But it looks quite nice. We're coming to the end of the video here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.